Welcome to our 11 Labs workshop, Lesson 5. One of the paid AI video creation services we use is called Pictory.ai and Pictory Partners for voiceover services with 11 Labs. That means then that you can use 11 Labs voices in your video narration. For example, one of the voices is recognizable to those that you may use in the 11 Labs.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
So this is a consideration if you are considering paying for 11 Labs. However, if you're looking to use 11 Labs as part of your video creation service, then it may be a good idea to combine that with Pictory.ai, since 11 Labs is used as the voiceover service. And with every video you generate, you will be using some of your quota of voice availability in your videos. So it's a good idea to become familiar with Pictory.ai if 11 Labs is your choice for video narration. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.